R. 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 Dua na kulang sila. Kulang sila. Wala pa. Ikaw na lang dito. Ay na, nagpasab na ka ganina. Nagpasab na ka ganina. Wala lang na.
Oh, pinakumuli na. Ay, nainit. Sundon siya, naginit siya. Iningkot mo kung sini. Sig, yaw-yaw.
Tulod. Wala yung pakialam mo. Apas mo dili. Basta ka makasulod na dyan.
Ang hangyop niya. Wala pag... Sa first five ko na siya.
Inahalagay ko kanina po. 2 minutes ko yung pagawa. 2 minutes. Lahat na lagi ko.
Gusto ko siya first five. Talikod na ko. Likod na to. Di ba na? Likod na ko. Alam ko talaga.
Lahat na lagi ko.
Sige, likod na to. Sige. Wala siya pa. Kuha na nga to. Alam mo. Magkano magparang ko mo siya.
Are we white or black?
I'm not sure. You need to be white because they're black.
Okay.
Ako sumusunod. Wala na. Akin to eh. Akin to eh. Kunin mo si ano? Si Eric or si Vincent?
Uwi na yan. Hindi. Pag kompleto ba sila, di ba?
Nandiyan na rin pa rin.
Great ball guys, great ball game. Scorpion Knight versus the River City Raiders.
Did 5. They tried to move us up.
And 5 minutes. 5 minutes warm up. 5 minutes warm up, guys. Let's go.
No baby. I guess no Jack. That makes a difference. We don't get any more hoopers. Can we get somebody to play with us?
How many of you?
There's only 5 of us right now. So wait, yeah, 5. I don't know if we have more coming or not.
Who's gonna you pick?
I don't know. I'm gonna ask him. He's gonna go play with us. Yeah?
Pwede ba yun? Pero ano yan? Official.
Hindi naman yan magre-ring. Hindi naman yan katulad ng... Santi! Santi, ayun, Santi! Ayun si Santi!
Dati, uwi ka na ba? Dati, uwi ka na? Uwi ka na ba?
Oh, ayan. Uwi ka na, hindi ba? Ikaw na dito. Anong gagawin ko? Diyan nga, gagawin mo kung saan yung mula.
Ako taga-video.
Oo, ganun lang.
Vlogger. Vlogger. Wala ka ba yung meron?
Mayroon, pero mahina.
5 minutes final, time.
Coming pa yung dalawa. Anong laban ngayon? River City Raiders.
Scorpion Knight champion. Scorpion Knight.
Yeah.
Iyan muna natin.
O yan mga guys. Ayan, yun. Sige. Laban ngayon ay
River City Raiders.
Shout kay Renato.
Ay, nako. Oh, ito na lang sa akin. Ayoko din. Baka magkama di ako.
Pakiamot niya, pre.
Alright, so let's see the beautiful crowd here in Paron School.
Muntik yung natalo eh. Every prize mo yung basketball silang mag-team. Yung point prize, muntik yung natalo.
Malakas sila talaga.
Kasi may coordination sila. Kanya, yung first, second, quarter nyo, kanya-kanya kayo eh.
Nakaalago na lang ng Nakaalago na lang ng second patapos
third
na
down.
third fourth. Medyo nakahabol-habol.
Eh, wala pa kayong coordination. Kasi sila, palagi.
Ano yung score kanina? Lamang sila lang ilan sabi? Mga 14 points, gano'n. 17. 12. Pwede na.
Ben! Ano number mo?
Lalaro si Ben. Uy! Gusto mo ba? Kaya pala ayaw. Aaron!
Number 13, is he in the list?
Probably not. I'll get him a sign.
Yeah.
Better be safe, right?
Just don't put the date, just full name and signature.
Okay.
Ano na to na picture na? Ha? Ako ba gusto? Na picture na to? Yung kanina? Ako na mag-gusto. Hindi, may nilagdag na. Number 13, is he in the list?
Yeah.
What's his name? Kobe.
Oh, you're there.
Good.
Let's go!
Five.
First 5! Let's go, guys. It's getting late. I still have laundry.
Yes.
Let's go.
It's five.
Same as always. And let's keep it clean and fun. Referee's decision is final. Please respect the referee's decision. Let's go.
Oh my God, 33,000.
Magkahimatayin ka dyan, ha?
Okay, let's start the ball game.
Magkahimatayin ka dyan.
Guys, a reminder, kids, please attend to your kids. Kids,
Dapat pala yung
behave, kids. Just watch the ball game, kids, please.
babakayaan natin ng konti kasi masyadong mataas.
Good luck to both teams. Good luck. River City Raiders Scorpion Knight. And of course, before everything else, a quick shout out to our sponsor, Double Voice Restriction, Michael Kitchen, Carol Boss, Archie in the house. Guys, Lori, 812 Virgin Calabash at the Vero Property.
Reverse din din. Scorpio Knight. Yes.
Scorpion Knight. Scorpion Knight, yes! Scoreboard! Scorpion Knight, yes! River City, home! Good luck, guys. Good luck, good luck.
Good luck, good luck.
Good luck to our team!
Hey, how are you? Good, man.
Let's go, let's go!
Ben.
Let's go! Darwin! Darwin, where are you going?
Idol!
Darwin, guarded by Boyd. Darwin, go for a shot! Boyd, setting up Aaron all alone! Aaron! First basket of the ball win by Aaron. Way back. Then Jason guarded by Boyd. Jason to Ben. Ben with the miss. And a foul by Boyd. Going strong to the basket. 24, Adrian.
Wow.
First team foul. Scorpion Knight. Boyd going in for two.
Ben! Vincent! Uwi na kayo?
Hindi. Ay, pusa.
One of two from the free throw line, Boyd.
Boyd.
Irene Price, USC. No good. Boyd. Again, Boyd attacking. Boyd. Oh, nice defense by Vince. Vince. Oh, Boyd. Oh, nice hustle by Boyd. Colton. Sorry, Dyson. Sorry. Nice one by Dyson. Ben. First basket. Kala kanina mo pa ginawa yan.
Ben, kaway mo na, Ben. Kaway mo na.
Kailangan pa naman ang pangalawang laro eh. Vince with a step back. Vince! No good. Rebounded by Boyd.
Kanya talaga yung itim.
Boyd attacking. Boyd guarded by 26. Kick out to Dyson. Dyson! Oh, Dyson with a miss. Darwin! 69er, Darwin! Adrian! Adrian ba yun? Vince pala! Miss by Vince. Daniel, a reigning three-point champion. Daniel, kick out to Eric. Eric all alone again! Oh, there, miss by Eric. Ben looking forward. Bumaba na sa iyong agad. Ay, naantay ko dyan sa baba. Turnover by the black team. Daniel with a shot. Daniel and rebound by Colton to Dyson. Dyson, long pass to Boyd. Boyd with spin. Boyd with a shot. Boyd going strong. Boyd.
4 points lang, 4 points.
Wala nang hangin.
4-point lead, Raiders. Ben What's the call? Out of bounds?
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds! Ben, ikaw na naman. Ben, second personal foul, second team foul, something like
Ngayon na ilang win. May bakasyon ka pa sa Mexico.
Time out sila.
Shot.
Shot, 1 point, 1 point.
Eric, time out, black team! Time out, black team. Eric, 2 of 2 from the free throw line. You have a 6-point lead in favor of the River City Raiders.
Laging busy ka sa trabaho pag weekend. Sayang. Wala yung number nito.
Matalahin na nila habang ano.
Takbuhan. Pre!
Makaisa man lang na
Ano bang mga?
Makaisa man lang. Hindi, wala.
Wala. Takbuhan nyo.
Kanina bola?
Let's go, let's go!
Wala din. Pagod na rin siguro.
Jet, papasukin nila.
Pagod na rin yan.
Skills ko nila yun. All good. Darwin! Oh, boy, shot by Darwin. Daniel to Dyson! D2B, Daniel to Dyson. Oh, yeah, well missed by Bernardo. No good. Daniel on the way. Daniel, coast to coast. Daniel again. I first got the ball in the Daniel. Darwin from downtown. Darwin off the mark. Darwin. And the ball will remain the black team. Substitution! Jet coming in for Bernardo. Oh, Ben again! Back-to-back basket by Ben.
Ganado sa open pala si Ben, no?
Boy! Oh! Almost! Double zero again!
Foul out ka na ata, Ben!
Ben,
Carry over ba mula sa Centurions na foul niya?
Ben, second personal foul. Substitution.
Foul out ka. Ilan ka na?
13 foul.
Tatlo?
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
13 foul, Scorpion Knight. Boy!
Basik! Tamasa mo yun! Teko!
Boys again! 10-point lead. Raiders. Big almost lost it. Darwin again. Darwin! Yes, sir! Ayaw talaga! Boyd to Daniel! Boyd! Oh, what a pass! Compton to Daniel. Dyson to Eric. Eric attacking. Eric to Colton. With a miss. Rejecting the rebound to Vince. Vince, the playmaker. To Darwin. Bounce pass to Adrian. Adrian with the spin. Adrian with a fake. Traveling violation.
Linaw ng mata nun, 2020 vision.
Another turnover by the black team. Less than 2 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Boys to Eric. Eric! Ayaw nyo bantayan si Eric! Buti sa bablay! Bernard! Bernard on the way! Bernard! Bernard! Charge! Bernard on the charge!
Wow. Not counted?
Bernard, first personal.
Wala.
No basket, no basket. Personal foul. Offensive, offensive. Daniel. To Dyson! Dyson for a three. Bernard. To Darwin. Darwin. To Jet. Jet. Jet! Jet! Bakit hindi mo ginawa kanina yan? Jet with a shot! Oh, what a shot by Boyd! Boyd with an answer!
Naman.
Jet! Jet trying to force a shot! Jet, double team! Oh, and a pass to Eric! Eric, bounce pass, and you know it! You know it already! They know what it is already. And that is the end of the first quarter! Raiders outballing the Scorpions. Yan ba? Napamagulo nila. 14?
16 points?
16 point lead in favor of the Raiders. And again, this ball game is brought to you by Taco Boys, Micah Kitchen, 812 China 8 Price Alone Irrigation Realty as a better property and equipment rental. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Kaya konektado yung gusto. Oo, dito. Dalawa.
White team controlling the ball. Danger to Eric. Eric to contest. Position, your shot and a miss. Keep the rebound. Keep all the way. Keep on the way. Keep. Bakit di mo kanina ginawa yan?
Nice one, Kit! Kit! 7 to 8. Daniel.
Daniel, first personal foul, first team foul. Raiders. Keep possible 3-point play. And the ball will remain in the black team. Nice tackle in the black team.
Nice one, Sek!
Bernardo! Boyd to Daniel. To Boyd. Lost it. Slippery.
Wala si Mark, tsaka wala si...
Sino?
Mark Collins, tsaka Dilin.
Heat. Vince wide open. No good. Oh, and a foul. Moving foul. Bernard, second personal, second team foul. Second team foul. Daniel.
Wala na bang naglag ng Scorpio Knights? Kasi 4 lang sila, di ba?
Wala.
Boyd again! Boyd with a hot hand. Boyd in the hot hand. Bernard to Vince. Vince lumapit. Vince drop shot. Ayaw pa rin. Vince again. Vince is good. Second time around. First basket by Vince. Holton to Boyd. Boyd again. What a shot by Boyd. Bernard to Vince. One more. Vince for a three.
Tres yun, tres.
Hindi naman dyan. Nice hustle by Vince. Going to Vince. Inspired. Keep. Short. Eric with the rebound. Dyson. Daniel. Back to Dyson. No good. Rebounded by Keith. Bernardo. Two. Bernard. Ayaw pa rin. Oh my God.
Talaga.
Malas talaga.
Ganun na po yan ah.
Dyson. Boyd in a foul.
One black.
One block. Kit foul.
17. Keith first personal. Second team foul. 49. Substitution. Adrian going in for Bernard.
14 points.
Boyd. Boyd again.
Shot yan?
Oh, shot.
Hindi naman pinuport si Jay eh.
Oo nga, bakit nga? Picture pa naman tayo.
Eight. Boyd.
8 Boyd, the first personal, second team foul. River City Raiders. Adriano! Eric with the steal! Adrian with the steal! And the ball will remain with the white team.
Ang score.
Di ba na mo? Trick lang.
20 bucks.
Daniel with a tip from behind. Keith. Out of bounds. Nice defense from substitution. Darwin going in for him. Nice defense from by the white team. 29-13, 16-point lead. Boyd again, guarded by Keith. Long pass to Daniel to Aaron.
Sabihan mo rin. Kanina yan. Ayun.
Nice try by the black team. Boyd, I got it. Out of bounds. Ilang point lead na sila for 18.
Nasaan na yung Ben? Ba't di mo mapasok yung Ben?
17-point lead. Adrian! Nice! This from Adrian.
Ba? Kaya karakal nyo?
Jeff, first basket in the ball game.
Second.
16-point lead.
Wow!
Good job, Eric.
Did you see that, Bernardo?
Eric with another bagger. 19.
Layo.
Not really with an answer, but
Layo yun na. Ayun.
Daniel attacking. Daniel to Colton. Colton with a miss. Boyd to the rebound. Boyd with a shot. Boyd with a miss. Keith with the rebound. Keith almost lost it. Keith with some handle. Keith para bulangga. Kapader. Ang sakit. Boyd to Aaron. Well, Villana. No basket. Drop it in violation. No basket, no basket. Lamang pa rin ang Raiders. Raiders still on the lead. Jeff, the big. Jeff attacking. Jeff! Oh, and a foul!
Ba? Magwala yun? Ba?
Aaron, the first person.
Uy!
Aaron.
Number 20 lakas
That's
ah.
13 foul. 13 foul.
Lakas, lakas ng 20 yun. Uy! Uy!
Nawala na.
Takuragi!
Nawala sa focus.
Huwag na kayo maingay, baka mausok.
Tignan siya.
Inuusok nyo eh. Ayan, nausok talaga. Huwag nyo kasi usugin. Inuusok nyo eh. Boy to the spin. Eric again. Oh, rare miss from Eric. Oh, what a hustle by the white team. Good D by the white team. Aaron does it. Heat on the way. Heat. To Jen. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw talaga. Danger with a duck try. Where did that came from? They're raising a wild shot. Boyd again from way downtown. Boyd with another tweet. Keith Ranyosa. Darby Murillo. Keith Ranyosa again. Keith. To Jeff Pineda. Jeff in the face. Jeff with the pass to water.
Uy, pasta!
Adrian.
Ganado yun?
Eric. Boyd to Colton. Pass Aaron. Tower cover.
Sek, harapan mo ito, Sek. Kaya kang harap ng Aaron na. Nice check, ha?
2 minutes.
River City Raiders outballing the trophy mate.
Yes, start nyo na kagad.
Pahipahin nyo lang. Nakatakihin na sa puso yun.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes, yeah. I still have laundry.
Yeah.
I left it in the wash. I told my wife I'll be back. Yeah, it's been 2 hours already. Hi. Today, we were supposed to play here later.
Oh, today, huh?
Yeah.
I'm feeling that one.
Yeah, they wanted it.
Hit! Yeah.
Enough? Yeah, you said it's okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's start. Start of the third quarter. Ilan ang lamang?
Let's go.
Half yata. Sobra sa
39 lang ang team. Best ano?
20 doon?
Sino si?
Allen! Why?
Ganyan ako nakaraan.
You ain't playing?
Asawa ko.
Kailangan niya ng white.
Kid.
T-shirt.
Kid.
I have.
Kid.
What white?
And the ball will away, will go to the black team. Bernard. Guys, mahanap natin. Dito ba anak yan? Kid. Kid, sit down, kid. Bernard.
Si Ramin.
Malas.
With a rare miss. Boy, forcing the shot. No good. And a foul.
Ben foul.
Ben again. Third personal foul, Ben. First team foul for tonight.
Alin, you wanna play? My jersey is there. Yeah, go.
Aaron.
Mahal! Yung sando ko dyan, yung sando ko sa bag, pakibigay kay Alan, man.
Aaron with the hit. Vince with the dish from Darwin.
Yun, lapit na. Seventeen. Keith, second personal, second team foul. Okocha with a save. Nice save. Titi. Technical foul.
Technical ba?
Technical foul.
T on number 17. Two baskets, basket in the possession ba? Two baskets ba?
Fair ball. Hey!
Miss! Bernard with a shot. Bernard, no good. Take it with the rebound. Keith Vince all alone. Vince! Hindi naman dyan. Oh, nice block! Good block. Vince again! Oh, nice hustle by Bernard to keep. Oh, and a block! Oh, careful, guys. All good. We're all good. Vince again! Yes, baby!
Nice one! Vince!
It's fine!
Naginusikit. Time out, time out.
Time out, my team! What a run by what a run by
Nice!
What a run by
Ilan? 12? 12 na lang.
12 na lang now.
Ayun.
12 points lead from a 22-point lead. What a run. All right, let's go.
Get! Nice yan.
FYI lang dito, 18 din.
18.
Pareho sila ni Vince.
May hugot.
Todo!
May hugot.
Yeah. Substitution.
Ano yung tulo?
Todo.
Tolo. Hindi, tulo eh. Tolo nga, tolo. Hindi ko nakakita.
Patay na naman, pinatira na.
Oh, rare miss by Eric. A point to the rebound. Daniel Dyson. No good. Point to the rebound. Boyd. Daniel. To Boyd. Boyd cutting. No good. Oh, Dyson again. What a hustle by the white team. Daniel again. No good.
Ganun lang.
And the ball will go to the black team. 12-point lead. Substitution of your special team. Player niya Saropa. Okay. Omega needed. Darwin to Jet attacking. Jet. And the ball will remain with the black team. Jet to Vin. No good. Daniel. Spinning Daniel. Shooting Daniel. That's it. Darwin with a step back. No good. Darwin. Going strong. Darwin. Kick out to Vin. Drop out. Daniel. And a miss. Jet. Tolu, kick out to Vin. Vin's attacking. Vin sidestep. Vin, what a shot by Vin! Woo! 8-5 talaga. Allen to Boyd.
Okay ka lang?
Attacking Boyd! The man! Substitution.
Tek, agyo mo ang lalam din.
14-point lead again. Darwin, bounce pass to Jet. Oh! Bernardo, Eric, careful. Oh, Eric with a miss. Boyd. Yes, sir.
Pero bola eh.
Jet, first personal, 13 foul. What a hustle by Boyd. Boyd passing a 3-point play.
Kit, pasok mo na. Energizer ka eh.
Boyd, 3-point play completed.
Babasek!
Anak niya ata yun.
Tolu. Bernard for a three. Bernard. First basket in the ball game by Bernard. Oh boy! No defense. Oh, Fair miss from Boyd.
Kaya to lang.
Darwin is gonna have the Darwin with Darwin on feet. Darwin with the cross. Darwin with the three. Darwin with the miss.
Down, down, down.
Danger to Dyson. Dyson! Boyd with the hustle. Danger with the cross. Danger on feet. Danger with the face. Danger with the miss. Get the rebound.
14 seconds.
Last shot.
Diskarte to. Diskarte.
9.
Balik.
7.
Bernard, nice shot! Bernardo!
Kaya pa yan, 14 points.
Kaya ba yan? Wala lang.
14 points.
Ang pag-asa na lang, brown out, baha, o may mag-rally. Yun na.
Gumanda.
May mag-rally, magbaha, o brown out. Brown out, madali lang gawa ng paraan yan, pre.
Intensity. Get. Atul.
Let's go!
Check load ka, check.
Ayan na. Kaya pa yan. 14-point lead. 10 more minutes in the last quarter. The white team outbowling the Scorpion Knights. Nice hustle from both teams. Let's go! Allen, Eric, Colton to the face, Colton lost it. And the ball will go to the black team. Keith with the cross. Keith to Bernard, to Tolu to Ben. Ben, screen from Tolu. Ben for a shot. Oh, sayang. Kita na. Oh, Boyd with the cross. Nice handles by Boyd. And Colton for the conversion. First basket of the ball game by Colton. Ilan ba? Is it ready? 16-point lead. And the ball will remain with the white team.
Ano sa'yo? Nagdalarian ka? Naniyat. Ay, sa'yo. Ingat na yan.
Eric! Oh my God! Eric, you know it!
Sino naman?
Eric, you know it! Keith! Oh, it's a turnover. Ilan na ba? 19-point lead. Eric, long pass to Boyd. Boyd, I got this! Boyd, raising three! Bernard, Tolu. Oh, lost it. Allen! First basket in the ball game. Tolu. Keith is in. Keith!
3 points.
First basket of the ball game by Keith as well. 21-point lead. Dyson, Eric, no defense. And the minute goes right up with my outlet. Eric again. Eric! With a block. Are you nice hit from Keith? You heard to that. Colton with the rebound. Colton And a foul. 13 coaches, first personal coaches, first team foul. First team foul.
Actually, improving na dati, nasa 50. Wala lang yung mga star player nila. Yan, ganyan match kami. Pero kung may mga
Substitution. Jet going in for Ben.
Ben, parang ata kayo nila sa puso dyan, pre. Pahinga ka na.
Boys again! Somebody guard this
Ba't
guy!
wala kayong depensa sa taas?
Somebody guard boys! Vince with a to work out. Blue. And steal from Dyson. Dyson doing some tricks. Eric again. Oh my God! Bernard, the third personal, a possible 4-point play by Eric.
Di pasok na, Sam.
Substitution. Oh, gano'n talaga, friend. Virgin. Gano'n ba virgin? 4-point play, papasok ko si Eric. Tolu to Randall. Tolu. To Keith with a shot. Keith. Oh, way off the mark. Dyson to Colton to Allen. Very good version. Vince with a step back three. Vince! Oh, what a shot for Vince! Step back three. Nice. Allen with the rebound. Allen with a fake. Allen guarded by Tolu. Allen, no good. Finish by Allen. Oh, Colton with a steal! What a hustle by Colton. Very good. With a steal and a basket. Nice hustle by Vince. Hindi naman dyan. Eric to Dyson to Boyd. Boyd with a fake. Boyd with a step back three. No, it's a pass. And Allen, no good. Jet with a rebound. Jet. Vinny guy. Vince. Tolu with a fake. Oh, what a. Oh, nice fake from Tolu. First basket of the ball game by Tolu. Dyson showing some handle. Dyson to Boyd, and then Colton. Kaya ba yan? Tiwala lang. Ano, patayin ko na ba yung breaker?
Ayan.
Ayan, bigyan mo na! Dakdak mo na! Nakaisa ka rin, sir. Eric with the hustle rebound. Eric with the step back three. Eric again! Oh my God! Somebody guard Eric. Tirahan mo na, Vince! Jet! Tirahan mo na, Tres! Jet! Tirahan mo na! Tirahan mo na, Tres! Bernardo!
Ayun!
Colton with the rebound. Colton!
Tigas ng katawan.
Ha?
Tigas ng katawan. Bernard, foul.
Bernardo. First personal. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty. Lacking. Colton. In the basket. Tuloy niyo po ba yan?
Going in?
Oo.
Going in?
Saan natin?
You have no mercy.
Wala.
Take a 3-point shot. Oh, yeah. No, seriously.
Solo the rebound. Solo. Key.
Kanina?
Key.
No, I don't want a 3-point shot. I want a... Sub.
Ay, hindi, pasok pa na tayo.
78 yan, di masok.
Hindi, 77. Tama. Eric tried to take Bernardo. Eric almost lost it. Eric! To Allen! I got this. No good. Toru lost it. Eric, traveling violation.
3-point message.
Eric! And a steal. Boys! Yes, sir! Boys again! Boys waiting 3.
MVP. Sa ano na, finals lang.
Key!
Uy, grabe!
O yun,
Oh!
yun.
What a shot by Key!
Jet.
Jet. 15.
And a foul.
Double zero white. 9 seconds.
Third quarter pa lang pala yan?
Fourth na to.
Dapat period 3.
Hindi ko naka...
Kala ko third pa lang yan.
Yes, sir! And that's a basket. And that is it! Off the ball game. Easy win by the Raiders. Nice hustle by the Scorpion Knights. Good game on both teams.
Okay.